show you how to make a login form on Delphi 2010. Okay, in the previously videos you have watched me create two form. First is the main menu or main form, and the second is login form. Okay, and if you check my previous video, you will find how to connecting your form or your application to a database. Actually here I'm using access database. Okay, next, if you are not connecting your application to your database, just check my previous video. Okay, here I was connecting my Adobe connection here to a database called testdb. You can see right here called testdb, and in the database we'll have one table called T account. Okay, and I have one record right here. Okay, back to the Delphi. Okay, so we now continue to make our login. So the process is just like this. Okay, as you see in my button OK, button, I mean, there is a bunch of code right here. I'm using lookAt method. You can find another method that this method will give us a value about account and password in the database. Okay, so we will try to find or to search account name and password field in this with our program. Okay, like that. So we just write down. First we must activate our Adobe table right here. I'm also was connected my Adobe table to Adobe connection, and I choose the table name. Okay, the account. Okay, first we make active Adobe table, and the second sorry, we use a lookAt. Okay, if not the table one dot lookAt account name, the account dot text, blah blah, and this code will search to the database about account name and password with the parameter is id account. Right here, id account, you can see id account is account, and id password is password. Password mean password. Okay, so you just write down this two line of code to search your account name and your password, and then after that you could showing a message such as if this two code result false value or there is nothing to show, you just write message. So message login data can found. Cannot found. Just simply like that, or you can use message dialog or message DLG like that. Else, if the application could find account name and the password, just show message again. Sorry about the interruption. Okay, we will continue. So if this two line code found a record, we're down here showing message. So missing. Okay, maybe like that. Okay, so we run our program, and we will see what can happen. Okay, we're waiting. So we should put our account name here and our password here. Okay, so we took an example, this two wrong value. Click OK. Yes, login data cannot be found. That's why, because in our database there is no such field like id account or id password. There is just account name admin and the password field value admin. We'll look right here. Write down admin, the password admin. Okay, and ta-da, welcome. Okay, we finish our first step, and then after that, what will we do again? We will change the main menu. Okay, I mean we will change our menu right here. Our menu is mlog to madmin. So we'll write down here. If you want to write more than one line, we should add kind and like that. Maybe we should put right here F menu. F menu is our main menu name right here. F menu. F menu dot. If there is a pure red line like this, just press. Okay. After you compile, there is the Delphi will ask you to adding reference about F menu to the app login. So you just press yes. Okay. And you type again that you will find here another option right here. That's F menu dot menu. F menu dot admin. Just write down like that. Save. We run. Again, admin and admin. Okay, come and then we have our admin menu. Okay, so after we showing message, then we will close the form, or just write close like that. Okay, that was maybe the basic to creating a login form on your application. But if you don't want to use editable, you could use Adobe Query. Yes, you could use Adobe Query, but in an Adobe Query you will play with, of course, query like that. So we will uncomment our first coding here, and we will play with the Adobe Query. First we set Adobe Query connection to Adobe connection 1, and we don't have to write down SQL property here, but we will write in our code in OK button. Okay, first we make sure that the query activated is false. Okay, then we make sure something like it. Double quote, maybe question mark. No, quotation mark. Right here and right here. So here. And one more. Okay. Then as is, we make sure our other query if is true. Okay. Now use if ado query 1 dot record count mean that how is ado find the record of the table, some things like that. If the ado find the record, then we will assign welcome, and if nothing's found, then we will giving login data cannot found, some things like that. If the query record count 0, mean that the connection cannot find a record, then okay, yes, sorry message login data can be found. Yeah, and else again you also copy this code. Something like that. Okay, could we try now? Okay, we try. Login data cannot be found. Okay, we write the right value. Okay, welcome. Okay, that was the basic method to create login form. You could use other table like this code, and you could use other query with this code. Okay, maybe that's for now. We'll post another video, I hope soon, because I'm a little bit busy like that. So if you have a question, just ask in the comment, or if you have some suggestion, just write in the comment. Also, if you want to, just subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you.